Hello, so here I'm going to show you this Sunlight Cliff 4x4 590, or so maybe it's a Sunlight 590 Cliff 4x4. Comes in this rather striking colour, like as though it were a Lamborghini, but it's better than a Lamborghini because you can sleep in it. This thing here is going to cost €81,000. Actually, I think it's about the same size as a Lamborghini as well. It's 6 meters long. However, this one does have a sensible high roof, unlike the aforesaid Lamborghini. Note, as you come in, this is contoured to give you a wider entrance, and you can see the way the floor is. It seems to me as they've tried to give you more space to walk in and out of. At the back, we've got deep cupboards up here, and these cupboards, that's hinges are holding, that's good, and a lot of space there. Got space, ledge at the back, a bit pointless in the 4x4 because things shake, rattle and roll in the 4x4. In fact, they'll shake, rattle and roll if you're driving down the street in Italy. You've got windows at the back, and which can be opened and darkened, and here you've got nothing, but that's all right. You can sit up in bed at both sides should that be required. In here we've got the toilet. It comes with a duckboard on the floor, and it's also a shower as well. It comes with a door, which is I think it's called a concertina door, and or similar to a concertina door. You can put as your shower thing goes up there, and here we'll find storage. It also comes with an awful shower curtain, which is there. Sorry, it's been hidden. Probably just the right place for it. They'll stick to your body. Don't bother with it. In the here we'll find we've got 2 burners there, and here we have got a sink. Under here we've also got a fridge, and I'll open that. There you go, that's what the fridge looks like. And if you want to get into bed, you've got 2 steps up there, and you can take that partition out should you want to carry anything long like scaffolding or uncoiled snakes. In here we've got a bit more storage, and there's I think this is meant to be a USB, or at least it was before it got broken, and there you've got 2 shore power connectors, plugs. You can connect them via the inverter, and you'll be able to run off your habitation battery. Table's somewhat small, it can be extended a little bit. Forward facing bench, and a bit of storage up here. You know what, once more, as I've said, many shelves in 4x4s, not a good idea. So let's now, having seen what it's like up here, let's go around to the back. I note that the mosquito thing is at an angle, and if you're wondering what happens here, it's this. You've got another one up there. Makes sense. And let's come round here. Here we'll find we've got space for 2 gas cylinders. Look at that, really nice and large. A lot of space here. The bed seems to be higher than usually is in these vehicles. I'm not absolutely certain 100% it is, but it does appear that way. If obviously as it's based on the Ford, then it's different shape, and I think it gives you a better camper van, in my opinion. Good, we'll have a look around here. What else has it got? We've got the flare on either side, which you could see inside because of the way the bed gave you more space. I'll just bring it back around here to demonstrate. There you can see where the flare goes. Also note there appears to be one in that side as well, and in this side of course it's a bit smaller because the door has to open somewhere. Let's continue around here. That's for your toilet cassette, and so I think it looks quite impressive, certainly much more useful than a Lamborghini, and because Lamborghinis will only work on the road, and then they're pretty fussy as well, apparently. I've only ever been in one once, and that was a very long time ago. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Upload every day at 21:15. Whilst I've got your attention, please have a look at our app, which is called Campermanual, written M-A-N-U-L, and this app will tell you how to fix things in the habitation area should anything go wrong. Also have a look at the description, because there I'll put some more information, including the things I've forgotten to say as I was walking around. And finally, can I add that the I've got channel membership of this channel, which gives access to hundreds of members only videos. It also gives you access to me. It costs £5, so €6 per month. For the moment, all the best. Bye for now.